Esquire, Danell, Daymon, and the Greater Works Chorale performing Do You Know Him?
Let's go, G-Dub!
Said the entertainer right there.
Huh?
Said the entertainer in the middle.
Everybody in the Staples Center is on their feet. Everybody.
Get your praise in and get your praise in. You can get it in, just tell somebody, excuse me.
I got a cap in my leg from shouting.
I think we got a room of some believers tonight.
I'll give you lights so it lights you up. You get your brother.
One more time, everybody, for Danell, Daymon, and the great
I caught a crowd.
Right here.
Shouting. I caught a crowd. I just want to let Greater Works know we was yelling our lungs out up here for you guys. You guys did excellent, man. Love you, Seattle. You representing.
This is it right here. This is all of us. There's nobody there right now. Just our wives and kids.
Wow factor, like
That's all right.
You look good. That first soloist that came out, that voice was amazing.
As soon as the sun comes
And
out.
then the meters that you chose, man, I loved it. And each soloist took it to the next level, to the next level. Absolutely great level. Great job. Great job.
Okay, Erica.
Now, man, it was expressive, it was artistic, it was anointed, it was powerful. We could tell you put in work, choir looked good, loved the gloves, loved the hair pieces, the tenors, the whole thing was just excellent.
Bishop, that was your song. That's it. Bishop has already recorded that song.
You know, I was sitting there listening, and you guys did an excellent job with that song. I just got to take a lot of those moves back home with me. And if I can get, like you know what mesmerized me? I was looking at your alto section, and the plus size ladies, they was giving it in. I wish I could take all of them back home with me.
It was like, size 6 what? I don't care. I'm going to show you. He was doing it. Rashawn.
Y'all made me feel every gospel emotion that I had. It was just amazing from beginning to end. But I have to say that Matrix move, that was it. Y'all done that. I'm going to steal that one. Great job. Keep doing it. Y'all excellent.
And one more time, LA, give it up for Danell, Daymon.